What is up, T.M.O.D squad? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Specifically, welcome back to another baking video. Today we are going to bake peach cobbler, and this is going to be the easiest peach cobbler you've ever made in your entire life. I guarantee that. Last time we baked slutty brownies together, so if you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and link it right above. If you are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. If you are not subscribed, but this is like your third or fourth video that you've seen on my channel, I think we both know what the universe is trying to do right now. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you go ahead and you share this video. First, I'm going to go over all the ingredients that you're going to need to make this easy, delicious peach cobbler. So first, you are going to need a baking pan. So you can use a foil pan, you can use a glass pan. It is completely up to you of what you would like to use. I today am using this foil pan. I just like using foil pans because they're super convenient. Once I'm done, I don't have to worry about washing anything. I can just toss it right into the trash. I got this foil pan from Walmart, and I think it was only like $1.92. What I really like about the square foil pans is that they come with these really cute lids. Also, it's very important that whenever you are baking anything, you must use the right pan. So the next ingredient are peaches. You definitely need peaches, okay? Hence, peach cobbler. I got these peaches from ShopRite. It doesn't matter where you get your peaches from. It really does not matter. To be honest, you can get them from Walmart. You can get them from Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Target, ShopRite, Stop and Shop. It does not matter. You just need some peaches. So these are not fresh peaches, and I'm going to be very honest. I should just go ahead and say this right now before we really get into the video. This is not your traditional peach cobbler from scratch. No. This is the peach cobbler that when you're craving peach cobbler and you just want to quickly throw it together because you had a long day at work, or you want to throw it together because you're trying to impress somebody, you're trying to impress some family members. Maybe your kid is having a bake sale, so you just need to throw something together real quick. Or maybe you just want a late night snack to go with your vanilla ice cream. This is not by scratch. This is the I need to get something done, I need to hurry up and bake it, but I want it to taste amazing peach cobbler and easy. Very, very easy. These peaches are already sliced up for me in the can. Yes, they are. If you want to go ahead and instead of using canned peaches, you prefer to use fresh peaches and you want to chop them up and do all of that good stuff, go ahead. I totally encourage you. I get my peaches out in Georgia. For this baking video, I did not know how many cans of peaches I was going to need. You will need ground cinnamon. I got this cinnamon from Walmart. If you see that great value sign, just know that it came from Walmart. Now, if you are allergic to ground cinnamon, it's okay. You do not have to include this. You can use an alternative. I'm not really sure what an alternative to ground cinnamon can be. So if down below, drop in the comments what can be an alternative. Instead of using ground cinnamon, what is it that somebody could use if they're allergic to ground cinnamon? Let me know down below in the comments to help people out if they are allergic to cinnamon, because I'm not too sure. But if you're allergic to anything that's in this video, do not use it. Do not risk it. Just try to find something that you can use as an alternative, okay? You're going to need cake mix. Betty Crocker, I believe it was $1 at Walmart. Cake mix, and I got the yellow cake mix. But I bought 2 boxes just in case. I'd rather you guys buy a little extra than not have enough. I feel like when you're baking something and you don't have enough of something, that's the worst. So for me, I always like to get a little extra. Last, what you will need for this peach cobbler is butter. I recommend that you buy stick butter for this recipe. At the time, I completely forgot, LOL, but now that I'm thinking about how I have to make this, I'm like, oh man, I should have got stick butter because that would have been easier, and you'll understand once we get to that step. So those are all the ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna jump right into it and start putting together our peach cobbler. Okay everybody, so I have my pan. I went ahead and I washed my pan out. I washed my hands. Make sure that you wash your hands. It's very important. I rolled up my sleeves, LOL, so I'm ready to get into it. So the wonderful thing about baking this peach cobbler, you do not have to butter your pan. I know some of you were looking like, did she just say what I think she just said? Yes, I did. You do not need to butter your pan. Go ahead and open up your peaches. So I've already opened up 3 cans. You're going to do, once you go ahead and open up your peach, you're going to go ahead and just dump it right into the pan. So as you can see, this did not take up the entire pan. It definitely can use another can of peaches. So right now, this is 2 cans of peaches. Now you're going to take a plastic knife and we're going to chop up the peaches to make them a little bit smaller. The reason I'm not using a regular knife is because this is a foil pan and I wouldn't want to cut a hole in it, especially because of all the juice from the peaches. I would not want there to be a leak. That would be very bad. So as you can see, I'm just chopping them right in half. And I'm going to add a little bit more peaches to this. I'm not going to include the juice because, as you can see, there's more than enough peach juice in the pan already. If I were to pour a full can into the pan right now, it would be way too much and it would overflow. Okay, so now we have moved on to the next step. You're going to go ahead and take your ground cinnamon, sprinkle your cinnamon right on top. So we're just going to do 1 layer of cinnamon. Okay, so this is what your pan should look like right now. You should have your peaches and you should have your layer of cinnamon. The next step, you will need your cake mix. Ta-da, it's right here. So now that you have your cake mix, you're gonna go ahead and you're just going to pour your cake mix on top of the peaches and the cinnamon. So it doesn't have to be perfect. If it's like coming out in like little chunks, that's totally okay. That's actually what we want. So what's going to happen with all the peach juice that is in this pan, the cake mix is going to absorb the peach juice. So this was the 3rd step, everybody, and it was just adding the cake mix to the top. The last step requires finally your butter. Now, why I said you should have a stick of butter is because we're going to have to layer butter on top of the entire pan, okay? If I had a stick of butter, it would be much easier to just chop it up into squares. So I have my spoon. I'm going to go ahead and start scooping out butter and just placing it on top. So this is the last step, and that is just making sure that you put your layer of butter.
So I just wanted to check in with y'all. I know this looks like a lot of butter, LOL, but trust me, trust the process. You need this much butter, just trust the process.
Okay, y'all, so the peach cobbler is put together. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right into the oven. So a few things that I just wanted to quickly mention is that I only use 3 cans of peaches and 1 cake box, okay? So that's all I needed, that's all I used, and cinnamon. Also, I really enjoy using pears. If you've never made pear cobbler before, it tastes amazing. All you have to do is just follow these instructions, but swap out the peaches for pears. So this can take about 45 minutes to bake, maybe 30 to 45 minutes. I'm actually going to clean up my mess that I just made from all the other ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, but I will see you guys back when it's all together, and I'm so excited for y'all to see how it is going to come out. Okay everyone, so it has been about, I want to say 45 minutes. Yeah, it's been about like 45 minutes. I just took it out of the oven and I'm super excited. It smells so good. I'm so excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it cool down for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to serve it up. I'm going to grab 2 of my roommates and they're going to go ahead and rate it and tell you guys what they think about it. So this is the close-up of the peach cobbler. It looks so delicious. So once you see that it is at that golden brown color at the top for the crust and the crust is like very like flaky, that is when it's time to take it from out of the oven. All I gotta say is trust the process. Okay everyone, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some pieces. Ooh. I have 2 of my roommates here. We have Soul, of course, and we also have G. And we're gonna go ahead. They're gonna try the peach cobbler, and they are going to rate it and let us know what they think about it, and give us a rate on a scale 1 to 10.
I really like it.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead. Who would like to go first? Does it matter?
I can go first.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with you, G.
So so I was having those peaches directly from the can. That like they were feeling probably a little bit too sweet, but once they're baked and you're having them with the crust. So I think the sweetness and the sourness just feels right.
It feels right?
Yeah, right in the spot.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so you definitely got like a nice kind of crunchy texture there.
Yeah, this is like 9.0.
9.0?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. And I do want to shout out your shirt.
Wow.
Yes, you look so cool. Love your shirt. Okay.
Yeah, I'm so flattered.
Okay, thank you. And next we have Soul.
I'm very shy. Muy bueno. A mí me gusta mucho el durazno, así que me encantó. Y la canela también. La canela en la tarta. Y nunca había probado este postre, así que me encantó. Lo que dije. Pero bueno, me encantó. 9 de 10. 9 of 10.
Ooh, yeah. I do want to say from the last baking video, I made slutty brownies. And I actually had a subscriber. Her name is Deborah. So I just want to say hi, Deborah. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for sharing my videos on Facebook. And thank you for actually trying out the slutty brownie recipe. I appreciate you. I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture of what her brownies look like. I believe she baked them with her grandkids and that they came out delicious. And I'm also going to add her comments. So y'all make sure if y'all see a comment that Deborah has left, make sure you like her comment. Give it a thumbs up because she's honestly the best. Comment down below or message me on Instagram. Send me pictures of what you baked, how it came out. Let me know like how it went. And I definitely would love to give you a shout out. My Instagram is at 12 months of destiny. So make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. If you guys like these baking videos that I create, I just want to say I want to do another baking video, but so if you want another baking video, we have to get this video to 25 likes, okay? So go ahead and like this video. Let's get it to 25 likes, and then I will drop another baking video for you guys. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video. If you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much. Please make sure to share this video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up.